Every all-new 2014 GMC Sierra comes standard with the StabiliTrak electronic stability control system. With the sure-footed handling of available four-wheel drive, Sierra is engineered to help keep you confidently in control. During sudden maneuvers, a network of vehicle sensors respond to your steering and braking commands to help intelligently manage braking and throttle control. StabiliTrak sends brake pressure to individual wheels and automatically adjusts engine speed to help the vehicle track with steering commands and to help reduce the risk of a rollover. When driving conditions demand extra rear torque, Sierra's four-wheel drive delivers what's needed to help keep you securely on the road. Additionally, Sierra's standard trailer sway control offers confidence even while trailering under full load.